In 6 months' time, what I'm about to tell you is going to be completely irrelevant. So if you don't listen right now and apply this time period, this window, it's going to be gone forever. And this is particularly important if you are somebody that wants to increase your income, change your life, leave your job, say goodbye to benefits forever, be financially independent. Very, very important. So lots of you ask me, how do I help people generate income online? Yes, that is with business coaching. It's helping them develop and create their own online business. But that's only half of it. The other half is the marketing. And the biggest and the best way to market your business that I have done for myself and also for all of the other people that I coach is YouTube. But in February 2027, YouTube is going to be completely changed for new creators. And this is important because it's going to be harder to access all of the different income opportunities that YouTube currently have. Now, I know lots of people in my audience want to work from home or need to work from home because they've got health conditions, or, they're living in another country where they might not necessarily speak the language and it's quite difficult for them to earn an income. If you have an online business, then you literally escape all of that red tape. With an online business, you can live anywhere. You can earn your income and spend it wherever you like. Now, there are lots of different ways that you can earn money with YouTube. And this is by making, by the way, 1 or 2 10, 15-minute videos a week. It's really not that hard. You can make videos about anything you like. Tea fowl fryers or air fryers, what your cat likes to eat, what you're planting in your garden, something you're passionate or interested about. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to genuinely be interested in what you're talking about. Be passionate about it. Like I'm passionate about all of the things I discuss about government policy, moving away from the system and literally being financially independent. That is really what the Justice Journals is all about. And then obviously bringing you massive updates that are going to affect you and me, going to affect how we live or how much we have to pay for XYZ. Really relevant thing. So let's go through the different ways you as a complete beginner can get started on YouTube. Right now, you only need 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. That's all you need to start getting monetized on YouTube. That means you can start to get paid for every single video that you create. Now, this isn't sometimes an awful lot of money, but it does help. And at the end, I'm going to be telling you one of my favorite ways that you can actually use YouTube to monetize. You can have your own YouTube membership. You can do different tiers. You can create courses if you really want to on YouTube. I already have my membership set up, so I don't really put my courses on YouTube because they're already in like the Justice Journal's website on their membership. But I do have my private membership here on YouTube where I give priority to my members. I answer their questions and I do private lives and private videos. And it's a really nice way of really sort of helping your audience and just communicating with them more. The next one is literally brand new. It was released like this month. And I love this one because it is literally going to knock TikTok Shop out of the park. And we all know how TikTok Shop in the UK has literally crushed so many businesses. You can tag, or you actually don't even need to tag because YouTube do it for you. But if they see like different things in your videos, for example, this little cabin here, then you will then see in my little list somewhere on this video or beneath this cabin that you can go and buy. You could probably go and buy these lights as well, or this picture, or these cushions, anything that you see in the videos, YouTube automatically tag, and you can earn money from that and you don't have to do anything. Like I think these products are from Amazon and they're just shipped directly to the customer from their Amazon account, but then you as a creator earn a little bit of money from that. So think of all the different things that you're interested in. You can just talk about that, maybe use some of these things in your videos and earn income from that as well. Again, slow burn, but you might even earn £2,000 or £3,000 a month from some of these things. That a lot of people would be perfectly happy with. You could do this to increase your income if you're at a job, or like just leave your job. because we all know that jobs just aren't safe anymore in the UK. The next one is having your own shop, your own website, creating whatever products you want, be them digital products or physical products, and you can sell them through YouTube. You can talk about them on YouTube, or you can just tag them below. For example, we all know that I sell my health journal and my PIP expert book. My PIP expert guide. These are actual physical products. They're products that I created, that I wrote. They're on my website. And when they're tagged, as you can see them normally on my shorts or on my videos here or just in the YouTube shop, you can then go directly to my website and buy them. It doesn't have to be a physical product. You can do a digital product. If you can create lots of different things using things like Printify to create t-shirts or any type of like hoodies or any type of merch, basically. On that note, you should really try this t-shirt here because it is wonderful and I designed it. Now, at the moment, the entry to this is relatively easy, but in February, the entry to be able to do that is going to be harder. From February, you're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 8,000 watch hours. I mean, that might be really easy for some, but it is a significant increase. I mean, the watch hours, it's like more than doubled. So if you want to get started, and it is kind of a bit of a lazy way, I guess, of making some money, because you just create a couple of videos and then, you can make money from them. But I really like it because it's very, very low key, but it compounds very well on YouTube. And YouTube isn't gimmicky. Like TikTok, it's all about trends. It's quite gimmicky. A video will be there, one day, 1 week, and then the next week, the next new trend will overtake those videos. So it's it's getting more and more difficult, I think, to be discovered on YouTube, on TikTok, but on YouTube, it is much better for discoverability. And this brings me on to my final point. If you are trying to generate income online via an actual business, not just as a creator, but with your own products or your own services, YouTube is going to help you with visibility more than any platform. YouTube is owned by Google. Google is the #1 search engine in the world. YouTube is obviously the second one. Now, alongside my business coaching, the other thing I have is a membership. It's a completely different membership called Contentpreneurs, and it shows professional creators, small business owners, how to create the right type of content on all different platforms to become monetized, and also how to grow their reach, grow their audience in the right way. And I'm going to be leaving the little link down below. You can get started for a very, very small amount. And when you look at how much money you could potentially make online, this is like, the membership is like a snippet. This is also what I call quite a low impact business as well. And it's always working in the background. With TikTok Shop, you have to do TikTok lives all of the time. And if you don't, they reduce your traffic. And then once you start doing TikTok lives, then they reduce your traffic even more because they want you to run ads. And there are all sorts of horror stories about how TikTok Shop have used the data from British businesses to then, work out what is popular, what is not popular, and then have those popular products imported by some of their own production companies and then sold under the TikTok brand itself, which is not very cool. But allegedly, this is what a lot of British people claim. YouTube, you don't have any of that. There's no middleman. YouTube don't make any money off of your website. They help you build your income. And I just think it is a very reliable way. I hope that YouTube does not become like TikTok. At the moment, I don't think there are any plans to do so. And I hope it stays that way because it's a lot more authentic and it's great, And also, those of you that are kind of like middle-aged, please do not be scared of social media and content, okay? Because it could literally change your life. I'm 53, okay? And it has most definitely changed mine. I mean, I have been doing content for a long while now, but you can Change your life with content. And I know for lots of you, you would really love that opportunity. So take it before the window closes, because it's going to be a lot harder to get monetized afterwards. And if you think now you've got about 6 months, that is a good, healthy window to get monetized on YouTube. And if you need any help or support, as I said, join Contentpreneurs. I am going to leave the link down below, and start living your best life, guys. Just start living your best life. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and let me know if you have any questions.